Good morning, good evening, and good day, everybody. Jeez, I'm freezing. We're going to Dullstroom south for the weekend. Well, just like one day. I'm absolutely freezing my butt off. And I haven't even left Dullstroom yet. I'm so not prepared for this ride. Woo! All the numpties are here. Letitia, Mr. Luigi, the blondie on the Goldilocks, and hello. Ready to freeze our asses off. It's bloody cold this morning. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna get frostbite in my fingers. At least my water's gonna stay cool, if I don't lose it along the way. La la. Right, that's it, boys. And how's everybody feeling?
Oh, I'm just free.
Oh no, Louis confused with technology.
Okay.
Stupid. I got oil on that side of the bike from where I spilled it yesterday and I didn't clean it properly because I'm a lazy ass. Forward into the sun. Look at the mist. We are about to go into that. Immediately it's cold. Woo! Hello, Mr. Moose. Well, the nice thing about being behind the truck is if there's something in the road, he's going to take care of it. First time Nico and Arna is doing a trip like this to get on the motorbikes. First time this bike has gone the distance. After we worked on it and fixed it, taking it a bit easy because the tires hasn't properly been scrubbed in. Oh yeah, and the numpties are striking here again the last couple of days, so that's why we got these things in the road. Woo! It is so cold. So cold. I don't know how cold it is because my bike doesn't have one of those fancy temperature thingies like Louis' Africa Twin does. But I do know it's bloody well cold. Afrikaans would say is luiperdkoud. Dis net die gras wat beweeg. Spooky. That church right now, over there, in this mist, looks spooky. Man, I wanted to drive down this road here. There's this dirt road that goes through to Pilgrims. And I think it would be epic going down there now, this mist. But at last, we got ladies on the bikes, we are lifting, so they decided that we are not taking dirt roads. So that's not happening today. It's gonna be a weekend of tour. Thanks, my brother. Thank you for acknowledging the superior motorcycle in the group. Please make an illegal U-turn as soon as possible. Just want to clean the lens so we can see the piggy's butt. Yeah, look at the butt, look at the butt. Hello, butt. Woohoo. Tourists. I guess we're gonna keep on going to Graskop side. Apparently they only open at 9. It's about 20 minutes from now, and yeah, I don't think they want to sit in the cold weather. Whee! Let's go! I didn't record any of the previous parts. I was just zoning out. All I was doing, I wasn't thinking about recording, talking, nothing. I was just chilling, enjoying, vibing. Look at me, I got a diesel bike with exhaust system. Yum, 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 yum. Look at these fairies want to drink something. Of course, yes. The normal place.
Hey, let's go to Harry Pancakes. So much cuter.
Yeah, just leave me in the road, you dickheads. Kort gat. We probably should at some point stop at that damn thing. I always forget. Hey, there's a waterfall. Nice. I think Misty Mountain should be somewhere here in front. I'm pretty sure there's a damn speed camera here somewhere as well, so me and Andre's got number plates on. We need to behave here. Okay, at least it's 100, so we're good. There the bastard is. Welcome to Misty Mountain. Been here a few times, I've got to say. I've almost never seen it actually clear. Most of the time it's been either misty or pissing down the rain. Hello, gorgeous George. Nice infinity pool there. Blondie?
Yes.
Having fun?
Lekker.